Alright class, so it's usually about this point, even though you've watched the intro, maybe you're a little shaky on how the course works, so I'm here to kind of guide you through it on a screen look basis. So if you click the start here in Blackboard, hopefully if you at least made it this far, you had to have made it this far to get to this video. You're looking through everything on that first page. This video is down here at the bottom, the course walkthrough. So what we're seeing, you saw my introduction, you listened to it, read over the course objectives, looked at the course syllabus, looked at the course schedule. It's course schedule. Print that out, post that up, save it somewhere, look at it daily, at least at minimum weekly, to stay on task, because you don't want to miss assignments, especially easy assignments like discussion boards that are primarily based on participation. Don't want to miss any homework or quizzes. Easy grades there. So you've got that. You've got your discussion board walkthrough if you need a walkthrough on that. Discussion board expectations. I'm going to walk you through a little bit on the discussion board here in just a second anyway on this video. Okay, then you got your more important information, your ProctorU resources. I've got an additional link I'll show you in a second that'll help you even more with that, and of course the course walkthrough, which you're watching. Now if you click discussion board here on this first start here page, it's going to take you to the discussion boards. You could also click the discussion board link over here on the left hand side. It takes you to the same discussion boards. Now make sure you've already filled out the day one discussion. Just introduce yourself, answer it. It's kind of an icebreaker thing. Answer the questions here, get familiar with the discussion board. To do that, all you got to do is click on it and then just create a thread. Okay, create a thread, put your name on it, your information. Easy grade there. The next link over here on the left hand side is the syllabus and schedule. So just an easy link to the class syllabus and the class schedule. You can find it, it'll be there all semester. Discussion boards come after that. Nope. Course content comes after that. Hey, here's your course content. Okay, of course you got your day one discussion. Once again, linking that there just to get you to the discussion boards, get that day one discussion out of the way. I've also attached a review lecture here. Now these blue links, if you want to click on one, what it does is it brings up either a Microsoft Word document or a PDF of the actual lecture that I'm going through in the video. So here's a copy of the lecture. You can get it in Microsoft Word document, you can get it in PDF. I have both of those available for you. Then you'll just hit the play button, and as you can tell, the notes here match the notes that are right up here. I pulled up here. And you can watch the video, pause as you need, rewind as you need to work your way through the lecture. I've got each of your chapters categorized here. So say I want to look at chapter 1.1, there's my lecture notes, there's my lecture video. Chapter 1.2, lecture notes, lecture video, domain, worksheet, dimensional analysis, worksheet, lecture video, all of it's there. Even have your discussions tagged in here. Just to give you an additional link. I think the easiest way to access the discussions is through the discussion board link over here on the left, but I provide you several links and ways to get to it. Alright, so we've looked at the discussion boards. Let's skip down to the MyMathLab link. Now the MyMathLab link here, the first information on it is how to register for it. Okay, so you can go to your mymathlab.pearson/enroll. You click on that. It's going to bring you to the Pearson site. You sign in if you already have a Pearson username and password. If you don't, create one. And it's a very easy process after that in getting logged in so that you can get on top of your MyMathLab assignments. Okay, once you get logged in, there's three ways to access it. You can use the prepaid code from the bookstore. If you've already gotten it from the bookstore, you can buy it instantly with a credit card or PayPal. Or you can use the temporary access without payment for 14 days. Keep in mind that will run out, and when that runs out, you will have to either use an access code from the bookstore or pay for it with a credit card or PayPal. Now, keep that in mind because you don't want to let it run out and then forget and have a lapse there in assignments. Now, once you pay for it, all your assignments will be restored, but you will have missed, if you go for a week or two without paying for that, you will miss potentially that week of assignments, and that week of assignments will be late and perhaps won't be able to be accessed. Now just to log back in, it gives you the link to do that well. It's just your MyMathLab Pearson link right there. It'll always be available in your MyMathLab link if you need it. Now your ProctorU links here. Now this tells you how to sign up for ProctorU. As I said in the other video, please sign up early. The earlier you sign up for a ProctorU time for your exams, the better. The better chance you'll be able to get it at the time period you want it to. Please don't wait to the last minute. Please don't take your exams at the last minute. You get 2 days to take your exams. Please, highly encourage trying to take it on the first day in case you run into technical problems. Now here, it gives you the links to test your equipment to make sure you're compatible with ProctorU. Do that way before your exam. Go ahead and do it now if you'd like to, because you don't want to take the course if you don't have the equipment to complete the course. Okay, there will be no exceptions. You have to use ProctorU. But you can read through all this. All this is self-explanatory. I don't yet have the ProctorU links for you to sign up for all the tests. Those will be up in the next 24 to 48 hours as ProctorU replies to me and gets those set up with their live proctor. We have to conjoin and work together on getting their live proctors available for that. As soon as they send me their updated availability for those, I will post those right there, and they will be links taking you directly to the ProctorU link to sign up for those exams right below this exam day, what to expect. They'll be just like this. You click on them, they'll take you to where you need to go. Those will be up in the next couple days. Now, if you ever do need to send me an email, you can click send an email here, or you can just go to your email and send an email to the email that I put in the syllabus. That's probably the easiest way. Your course evaluations here. It allows you to evaluate me at the end of the semester. You can't do that until the end of the semester, so no need to really look at that. There are some additional tools. We don't ever really use those, but I'll leave that link there just in case you need them for Blackboard purposes, but not really for the class. That pretty much covers it though. If y'all have any questions, any concerns, please reach out to me. Like I said, once you get into MyMathLab, all your assignments will be listed there. Once an assignment becomes available in your MyMathLab, what will happen is if we start Chapter 1.1 on Monday, the assignment for Chapter 1.1 will become available on Monday, and then it'll have its due date posted on MyMathLab after it becomes available. So Mondays is pretty much when assignments come out unless there's a university holiday. So keep an eye out for your homeworks on every Monday for the week. Make sure you get those turned in on time. Most of the time they're due on Sunday. Sometimes they're due earlier than Sunday, depending on whether or not we already have a quiz on that section. I don't want to make the homework due after the quiz. I want you to finish the homework before you take the quiz. So every now and then there's some exceptions, but most of the time homework's due on Sunday. But do keep an eye out on those due dates. Try to get them done early. If you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to continuing a good semester.